Hi YouTubers, welcome to Diecast Culture, and today we are going to look at this monster crane manufactured by Siku. So I collect 1/64 scale diecast, and the scale of this Siku is around about 155, and I like it so much I am going to pretend it fits into the 1/64 scale. In a minute I'll put a couple of majorettes, which are the same size as Hot Wheels, next to it, and you can appreciate the size. We're just going to take a look at the height of the crane. It is massive. It extends to approximately 60 centimeters in height. In a minute we'll take a look at the functionality of it, but before we do that we're just going to place some Hot Wheels sized vehicles next to it. That is a majorette Renault Trafic van, and we've got a Volkswagen Amarok majorette pickup truck. They're both pretty similar size to Hot Wheels. And I've also placed some 1/64 scale American diorama diecast figures. Again, gives you a good idea of the scale. So whilst this is officially 155 or thereabouts, there are some monster cranes out there, and I think this looks okay with Hot Wheels or majorette. Tis a beast. Made in West Germany, Siku. Max 60 tons, 340 PS. The rest of it can't quite make out. So it's all die-cast, apart from the connectors for the wheels. Got some nice little details. This opening tool station, I guess. Metal shutters, and it has 4 stabilizers. They just pull out. 2 on each side. It has mirrors, wing mirrors. They're plastic. 5 axles. And it has a counterweight built in here. So as the crane, if it's in a very tall position carrying a heavy weight, this counterweight can be pulled out. That's made of die cast. It is hollow inside. And this metal wheel here is connected to a drum that we can't see, which winds in the hook. So I'm just turning it as we speak. And that cotton line runs from this internal drum all the way to the end. And as you've already seen, this is a telescopic crane. Quite nice actually. It's got this ratchet system, so as you raise it you can hear that ratchet kicking in. It's this piece of metal here, and you can set it to any position. (60 centimeters max length, 0 to 90-degree angle. I've got the marker pen out for the rear lights, just to add a bit of detail. And of course, this whole thing swivels. And it rolls really nicely. So the standard width of commercial vehicles on UK roads and pretty much across the globe is around about 2.5 metres. Hope I've got that correct. The width of this would be probably 3.5 metres, which is not necessarily unrealistic. You do see some massive cranes on the road with escorts, which take up 1.5 lanes. I've also got the marker pen out to bring out the letters fawn. Just to give you an idea of weight, this is extremely heavy for a die-cast piece. It's probably at least 600-700 grams. So not far off a kilo in weight. In fact, it probably is about a kilo. So there you are, guys. I thought I'd share this with you on this fine sunny winter's day. Thanks for watching.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration.